Hello everybody, I got 10 acres here in Orofino, Idaho. My name is Earl Musick. I'm a North Central Idaho land broker with United Country Real Estate, and this is a great property, 10 acres, completely treed. You can use it as a recreational lot. That's what the current owners have used it as. There's no CC&Rs here, no codes, covenants, restrictions, no homeowners association. Build a house if you'd like. Camp on it if you like. It's a great property, and while you're watching this video, you're probably going to think that there's an awful lot of dead trees here, but stay to the end of the video and I will tell you why those are not dead trees you're looking at. Thanks for staying to the end of the video, and right before I talk to you about these trees, I just want to give you a reminder. If you haven't liked and subscribed on our channel yet, I'd sure appreciate it if you did. I'm the only broker in North Central Idaho who consistently makes videos for my real estate listings. So if you appreciate having these videos, again, please like. If you have time, give me a comment. I would appreciate it. But these trees are called Western Larch. They're also commonly known as tamarack, and I'm going to get you up here right nice and close, and you can see they're just starting to bud out. This is late April, and if I'd have waited a couple more weeks, these trees would have looked a lot nicer. But if you're not familiar with these, if you've ever driven through the mountains, especially here in Idaho, you will sometimes notice in the fall gold trees that are just spread out into the forest. These are tamarack, and so during the fall they turn that beautiful gold. The needles will fall off in the winter, and in the spring they grow all new ones. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call right away. I'd love to bring you up here and show you around.